Hello, I am Rick from R&D Chronicles. Imagine you could give Britain's best climate engineers the financial oxygen they've been gasping for. That's basically what the Royal Academy of Engineering just did. A £39 million boost into high-impact climate tech startups delivered through their enterprise hub. Now, before you picture a ceremonial check, think of it as purposeful fuel. Mentoring, lab access, prototyping budgets, regional outreach, and the kind of market readiness help that actually turns clever prototypes into commercial wins. The Hub's been at this since 2013. Over 300 engineering founders supported and hundreds of millions raised after that early push. In venture terms, that's de-risking at scale. So what's getting funded? It's a pretty broad and practical playbook. Carbon capture and removal, electrifying transport and next-gen batteries, recyclable and emission-free construction materials, AI for energy efficiency, and even biodiverse urban design. In short, ways to cut emissions, make systems smarter, and build cities that don't make us regret living in them. And yes, there are already some neat examples. Thin air pulls drinking water from the air without relying on big infrastructure. Low-carbon materials is rethinking concrete with zero-emission alternatives made from waste. Magway is reimagining freight as emission-free underground delivery, basically taking vans off the road and hopefully traffic from our blood pressure. This isn't philanthropy with a nice logo. It's a strategic move. Create scalable technologies, build investable companies, and in the process, generate green jobs and new export opportunities. It aligns with the UK's net zero ambitions, the kind of engineering-led pipeline you need if you're aiming for steep cuts by 2030 and full net zero by 2050. A key part of the strategy is inclusion. The Academy wants founders from underrepresented groups to be part of this transition because diverse teams build more resilient, broadly adoptable tech. Climate solutions that only work for a slice of society tend to fail at scale. That's an avoidable mistake. If you work in R&D or lead an innovation portfolio, this is worth watching. The Academy's model is a repeatable blueprint, targeted funding, hands-on support, and clear paths to commercialization. It's the kind of public-private nudge that actually moves technology from lab bench to market impact. Bottom line, £39 million isn't a silver bullet, but it's a serious catalyst. With that backing, some of the UK's best engineering ideas now have a fighting chance to become global climate solutions, and sooner rather than later. Do not hesitate to visit our blog or follow our LinkedIn newsletters. See you soon.